If you want to impress guests without turning on the stove, you have to try this viral hummus flower platter. It's perfect for Easter, Mother's Day, or any other spring brunch. Start with a large container of roasted red pepper hummus, or whatever your favorite is. Scoop it right into the center of a large dinner plate. With the back of a spoon, swirl it outward in a soft curved stroke motion to make flower petal shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make it look natural. You want the petals to have little wells because we're going to put olive oil in it later. Sprinkle with some crumbled feta cheese right in the center for that pollen look and a salty, tangy bite. Add some cherry tomatoes to the center or maybe olives. Top with some more feta crumbles to finish off the look. Add a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over the petals to give the whole platter a glossy, mouth-watering finish. For the final touch, tuck in a few basil leaves around the edges to really bring the flower to life. And surround it with your favorite dippers like pita chips, cucumber slices, veggies, you name it. Delicious.